really great.
I had a grandma get really touchy-feely at a Twilight convention. She kept rubbing my stomach and telling me her husband was at home, so it's okay.
I just had one. This guy picked me up and held me like a baby. It was unbelievable. It was really great.
I had a grandma get really touchy-feely at a Twilight convention.
Does your family like or watch American Horror Story at all?
What do you think, guys? No. My dad and my sister love it. My mom hates it because I'm tortured the whole time. She hates it. It scares her. But yeah, my family really.
I was wondering if you could tell her I love her, because she's a huge fan of yours.
What's her name?
Jasmine.
What's up, Jasmine? I love you. I love you, girl. Stand up and shout. Say what?
Thank you.
I like Friday the 13th, the original, very first one. Thank you for the smatter of applause.
I hate horror movies. Seriously. Because they scare the blank out of me.
When you were kids, did you want to be actors or something else?
I wanted to be everything. So I think I found the right line of work. Because I can't be everything.
I wanted to be a garbage man. Because you get to ride on the back of the truck.
Or like met each other, and then if you were there, who would you have to choose?
Violet. Because Tate's love for Violet was undeniable. You know? It's undeniable.
Do you know anything about season 4 of American Horror Story?
I know nothing. I know nothing. I'm very sorry. I wish I knew more.
And would you please say normal people scare me?
Normal people scare me.
I love you.
Hi.
What's your favorite line from American Horror Story?
Hi, I'm Tate. I'm dead. Want to hook up?